These are some of those AirPod things, and this one has quit working. Don't know why. Thought I'd open it up and take a look. Seriously doubt there's much I can do to fix it. It's probably just a chip or two inside there. Yeah, and on a specialized board, highly specialized stuff all the way around, little tiny battery, that kind of stuff. But that's what it looks like. And again, we'll pop it open, and if nothing else, we'll learn a little bit something about it. This is the one that's bad, and oh, it's magnetic. That's interesting. It must be the earphone in there. You can see an R on here for right. That's the right side. Here are the charging contacts. Of course, the rubber earpiece, we'll take that off there for convenience. And speaker right there. Look around the outside. Don't see anything. There's a seam. Oh, there's a little hole. My guess is that's microphone, but we'll see if we can't get something in there and pop it open. Not expecting much. There's a little hole there also. I'm not sure what that was for. Okay. Back cover. Piece of mesh. That piece of mesh is right there. Huh, okay. Don't know if that's, it seems to be contacted by this. So my guess is that's the antenna. Okay. Make sure I keep it in focus. There we go, a little better. Yeah. Okay, so this appears to be the LEDs that tell you whether it's charging or not. Yeah, there's the whole thing right there. That is the chip. So that's got to be the Bluetooth and all that other stuff that goes on, and the actual, amplifier and so forth. Because there ain't much else in here. Wow. I can barely read that. There's a manufacturing date. These aren't very old. When it quit, just right outside the warranty, of course. And, okay. Let's see what's on this side of the circuit board. Oh, another chip. Okay. Let me get that up where you can see it. There we go. So there's another chip. So the other side's probably the Bluetooth and communication side of it, and this is probably the intelligence amplifier or whatever. This would be the microphone, because I think I see the, yes, here is the speaker right there. And that thing right there is the rechargeable battery. And that looks like, yeah, that's pretty much it for this whole thing. I mean, there's not much to it. I don't think there's any way to repair that. At least I don't have any way of doing it other than like swapping out the board, which I kind of doubt is worth the trouble. Well, you guys weren't looking to pop the bass out of here because, well, I mean, I'm doing this, so let's just do it right, right? Okay, so this is the charging base, and we'll kind of see what's underneath here. Kind of being stubborn. So there's the empty shell, and here's the electronic part of it, and this is where these earbuds go in there to charge up. So these are the charging contacts. I don't know if you can see those. Yeah, kind of there. Down there in the bottom, those goldish things. Okay, so that's that. And then on the back side, we got this. Let me zoom in a little closer and we'll see what's going on down here. So this is the USB-C port. That's out of focus, but there you can see it right there. And let's see, what else can we see? We can see the battery. So there's a battery in the base that helps charge things up. And there's a magnet. I think, yeah, that's a magnet right there. Looks like another one right there. So this is the one that holds the lid closed. And this is the one that holds the earbud tight down against the charging connections. And there's the other one for the other earbud. Okay, so battery, 2 screws. Let's see. Get my hands out of the way. And that looks like it for screws. And then, oh, there's no connection back to that. Okay. So here, you can see the 2 magnets, 1, 2, and this is the one that keeps the cover closed. So there's magnets underneath there. And those 2 holes right there, and those 2 holes over there are where the contacts go through. So if we flip this over and check the focus, yep, focus looks good. What we got are, these are the contacts that charge the individual earbuds. There's 2 there, there's 2 there. There's an inductor. That seems to be the charge controlling chip. And then the output display that tells me how much the earbuds are charged, and also it tells me how much this battery back here is charged when it's connected to the USB-C, which is right there. But boy, that's about it. This piece is still working, but you know, without the earbud, it doesn't do me a lot of good. Okay, well, not much more to see about this thing. Rather simple, and everything seems to be highly specialized for this purpose. But yeah, okay, well, hope you found that useful and interesting in your exploration of electronics.